Hi everyone! Hi everyone! My name is Judy and welcome to Bisaya Word of the Week. For today, I am going to share a song, Bisaya song. And what's so special about this? It was sung by 5 guapo young American boys who speaks Bisaya, specifically Cebuano dialect, very, very well. And these guys are quite funny and very funny. They are very funny. I really like their videos, and it's, Filipinos really appreciate foreigners who tries to speak our language, and it's just amazing that these 5 young American boys are very well versed of the Visayan language. So let's give it up to them and see you at the end. Also, I did the translation to the best of my ability. It's quite hard sometimes to really translate the Bisaya to English, so that it won't sound awkward and that it will fit to the song. But yeah, let me know your comments about the translation in the comments below. Okay, let's start watching the My Morena Girl, sung by Hey Joe Show. That's the name of the band. I would say that's not really band. The name of the group.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Hey Joe Show.
Hey Inday, pagdasad ko gamay, basing wala kakabantay ba? Pero di na akong igua sa imong pagkapaiter. Mula kaskolon, memorize pagyod ang tanang lyrics. Sa missing Filimon, mauning akong kanta. Para sa imoha, I'd go and travel halfway around the world. My Morena girl, mauning akong awit. Di-di-di-di-di, papipiri, mutulog ko forever. 'Cause I have someone just like her. My Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. I know di ko original bistak, but whenever you say Hey Joe, I feel like saying nahigugma ko nimo. Mamuwang ang akong aping whenever my blue eyes see you. Muskip ubit ang kasing-kasing, wishing you could love me too. Mauning akong kanta, para sa imoha, I'd go and travel halfway around the world. My Morena girl, mauning akong awit. Di-di-di-di-di, papipiri, mutulog ko forever. 'Cause I have someone just like her. I can't love man ko Bisaya. Sumong kong traffic sa Mandaway, anong lang makita ta. Mag-abot ta sa Fuente, magkinabot man o magtuslo buwan. Agdon di ka, mauning akong kanta. Para sa imoha, I'd go and travel halfway around the world. My Morena girl, mauning akong awit. Di-di-di-di-di, papipiri, hope forever, 'cause I have someone just like her. Or someone in the world. Guess I'm so lucky I got her. My Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. Ooh, my Morena girl, my Morena, my Morena girl, my Morena. I love my Morena girl.
Mga Amerikanong kiat. Okay, that was the song. Let me know in the comments if you like it. And if you want to purchase the song, it's 99 cents. And you can buy it in Amazon. I am putting the link in the description box. You may also donate to the Kadasig Facebook. You just message them there and how to donate. I'm not really sure how, but I am leaving that link down below. Please, I'm calling everybody, Filipinos or foreigners, to to support our local artists, and so that they will continue making good songs, quality songs, Bisayan quality songs, quality Bisayan songs. You may stop here or you may stay with me. I will discuss each line of the song. So stay with me if you are interested to learn more. You may stop here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? And if you're very new, please subscribe. Now, for those who are interested, now let's get it on. So we are going to tackle line by line of this My Morena Girl song, and some of these are in English, so I will just skip that part.
Hey, Inday, tagdasad ko gamay.
Okay, tagdasad ko gamay is actually, tagad is attention, and sad, like you are asking the person to give you a little of your attention. Tagdasad ko gamay. Ko is you, gamay is a bit or a little. So it's like, mind me just a little bit. It's like you give your attention. You want the girl to give you at least a portion of her attention, like that. That's the meaning of that. It took me, I was having a hard time to translate that because I really want to get the correct meaning, but it looks like I'm out of words, so that's what I got.
Basing wala kakabantay ba?
Okay, basin, it's maybe. Wa, it's a shortcut of wala. Wa means nothing. Langka, langka, maybe you haven't. Kabantay is notice. Okay, kabantay is notice. So maybe you haven't noticed. Basin wa langka, ka is you. I mean, meaning the girl. So we are referring to the girl. Langka kabantay ba? Ba there is, excuse me, it doesn't have English translation, but
Perdi na akong igua sa imong pagkapaiter.
so maybe you haven't noticed that you really hit me hard. Perti means, perti like super. Super is like that. Nako, okay, nako, you're referring to yourself. Igua, from the root word igo means hit. Okay, perti na kung igua yun. I mean, you are hit. But in this case, the girl really captured his heart. Sa imong pagka-fighter. Fighter from the English word fight. So fighter, you are a warrior, you're a fighter. Pagka-fighter, from being a tough girl, okay?
Pagkaskolon, memorize pagyud ang tanang lyrics sa Missing Philemon.
Okay, Missing Philemon, is a Cebuano-based rock band formed in 2002, and they have really great Bisaya songs. One of their very popular song is Sini Sine. I always remember Sini Sine. Okay, you may check them out here. Actually, they have a lot of songs that I haven't heard yet, so I might check them out very soon. Okay, let's proceed.
Mauning akong kanta.
Okay, mauning akong kanta means this is my song. Maone means this is. Akong is my. Kanta is song. So this is my song. Just a repetition of words. Para. Okay, it's basically para means for. Imuha. Para sa imuha, it's for you. Okay, imuha is a personal pronoun that means you. Okay. This is an English word, so I will skip that. Okay, mauni ang akong awit or mauni akong kanta. In English, this is my song. Awit is more on the Tagalog side. Kanta is much more common here in the Visayas. Okay. Next is okay, di papipiri. Okay, di papiri siguro na siya. Di papiri or papipiri. Actually, it's my first time to hear this word papiri or papipiri. But the most common way of saying that is di palupi. Okay. I think it's more on the person doesn't want to give up easily. Okay, doesn't want to accept defeat immediately like that. So that's the gist in that phrase. Okay. Okay, mutuo ko og forever. Mutuo means to believe. Ko is you. Og forever. So it's like in forever. I believe in forever. Okay, if a person who is from the Visayas, we usually say bisdak. Okay, it's actually a shortcut of Bisayang dako. It's like I'm a dako means large, okay, or big. Bisaya is, Bisayan person. So Bisayang dako means you were born in the Visayas. So it's like you were born in the Visayas and you've been here. Since birth you've been here in this area. So we say I am Bisdak. Bisayang dako means I'm true blood Bisaya. It's like that. Okay. Okay, let's skip the English part. Okay, next.
But whenever you say, hey Joe, I feel like saying, nahigugma ko nimo.
Nahigugma ko nimo. Nahigugma is in love. Ko, me, nimo, you. So I'm in love with you. Okay? From the root word gugma, gugma is love. Nahigugma is the act. The act of falling in love. Like that.
Mamuang ang akong aping.
Okay, mamua. Mamua, it's actually, mamua means, mamua imong aping, it's like your cheeks will turn red. From the word pula. Remember, in my previous lesson, the L may sometimes be pronounced it as W. Pula, pua. Okay, bulak, buwa. Like that. Aping is your cheeks, okay, the cheeks. Okay, muskip ug beat ang kasing-kasing. Kasing-kasing is heart. Okay, the heart. Ang kasing-kasing is the heart. Muskip ug beat. That is actually Bisaya mixed with English. Muskip means skips in English. Okay, skips in English or will skip. Ug beat. The beat of the heart. Okay. So my heart will skip a bit.
I can't love man ko Bisaya.
Okay, kay in love man ko Bisaya. Kay here is because in love man ko. Man ko it's like from the ko there is you, okay, or me.
Sumungkong traffic sa Mandaue.
Okay, sulngon means to, being brave. You have to face the traffic in Mandaue because it's really, really, really terrible traffic. I mean, anywhere it has traffic, but in Mandaue, the traffic is terrible. Okay, so this guy is telling the girl that I will brave the traffic in Mandaue. I will. If I have to stay in the traffic for 2 hours, I will, just for you, just like that.
Aron lang makita ta.
Okay, aron lang magkita ta. Aron lang just to magkita is to see each other. Okay, ta, it's kita means us. So aron lang magkita ta means just to see each other.
Mag-abot ta sa fuente.
Okay, mag-abot it's like let us meet. Let's meet sa fuente. Sa fuente is actually very popular here in Cebu. It's like the fuente there is fuente circle. This guy is referring to the fuente circle where there's this iconic fountain, water fountain. It's been there since I was a kid, so long time ago. The Fuente, it's all where, I mean, everything happens there in Fuente. During Sinulog, there's a lot of concert there. It's a good place to chill out during nighttime. If early in the morning, there are people who are going there to jog around. Okay, so it's a iconic place in Cebu.
Magkinabot man o magtuslo buwan.
Okay, magginabot. Ginabot is actually a local food made from the pig's intestine. Okay, tuslubua, it's a local food, exotic, I would say, exotic dish, which is very popular now because maybe it's yummy. I haven't tried that. I'm a bit curious about that. I will try it someday. It consists of pig's liver, pig's brain, pig's fat, and some special sauce, and a lot. Really like it. So I cannot vouch for the yumminess, but maybe in the future. So if you happen to be in Cebu, you should try the ginabot and tuslubua. That is an exotic food, and I believe it's very yummy. I like ginabot.
Adonde ka? Sama in the world.
Why sama? Why there is a shortcut of wala, may, okay? Means nothing. Sama, it's like there's nothing like you in the world. Why sama in the world? So like nothing in the world. That's it. Please support our local artists. I am leaving the Kadasig Facebook page. You message them there, and then if you want to purchase this song, you can also message them there. And yeah, I'm leaving also the Amazon link of the Hey Joe show, and you can buy it there. I mean, this song, My Morena Girl. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you again next week, Wednesday or early Thursday. Okay, so let me know in the comments if you like the song. And to Hey Joe show, hi mga boys, hi mga gwapo kayo mo, mga cute kayo mo tanan, mga lingaw pa jud kayo. Okay, hello ninyo tanan. So see you again. If you're very new, please consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up if you like this. If you want more of this, music lesson, not really music lesson, but if you want this kind of lesson, let me know in the comments as well. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye for now.